Hello everyone, I'm pretty much sure that you're doing good. আজকে আমি কিছু basic English discuss করব. At the same time, I'll be discussing their advanced versions এবং আমি চাই আপনারা basic English গুলোকে replace করে advanced versions গুলো use করেন এবং প্রত্যেকটা advanced versions এগুলো already English movies এ খুব frequently use হয় and I've actually picked them up from them English movies. So here I go. I am listening. Now this is the basic version. Advanced will be I am all ears. Then basic, I don't know. Advanced, beats me. Basic, I can't do anything about it. Advanced, it is out of my hands. Basic, can I ask you a question? Or can I ask you for some advice? Advanced, can I pick your brain? আমি দুটোই discuss করলাম. You will sound greater when you use them advanced versions. Try and use them in your day-to-day spoken English. Thank you very much.